Okay, here we go. Liftoff of week 5. So, this week we have 2 reading passages, followed by 2 quizzes, a video to watch about the sun, which is followed by an attached assignment. Our objectives are going to be to learn more about the directions of the shadows and length of shadows, and arguments about the apparent brightness of the sun compared to other stars. So, please continue to work on your vocabulary assignments. Some of you are more than, say, 75% done. Some of you, if you haven't started, start now. I'm going to show an example here of how to write a story that's throwing some people. So here's an example of a short story using vocabulary words. In 2 sentences that I wrote here, I used 5 words already. So, while traveling through the Andromeda Galaxy, a collection of billions of stars, we had to go through an asteroid belt and almost collided with an asteroid. I said to DeMarcus, "That was a close one. We almost had our own Big Bang Theory, which would have been the end of our universe instead of the beginning." So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 universe. 5 words already in those 2 sentences. So using 15 to 20 words in a short story, use this as an example to how to get started. A lot of people have trouble with getting started on a blank page, how to start with a blank page in a story. So here's an example. You've got 15 to 20 words to use from the vocabulary list that you can find in week 1 if you don't have it. I've sent it to you again. I can send it again if you need it. Message me. I'm here to help you. So when you're starting on the blank page, pick one of the words and go from there. Let's go back to our assignments. There is a discussion post. Oh, wait, sorry, I'm going to back up one time here. Another assignment to be mindful of is the Cosmos cards. Some of you have completed that and turned it in. If you haven't, start now. The directions and the Cosmos cards links are in week 1. Our discussion post is the sun is essential to life on Earth. All you have to do is post a comment listing why the sun is important to you, listing as many benefits as you can think of. And then there's a reading assignment on the sun. Okay. Not too lengthy, a lot of pictures. Okay. And that assignment is followed by a good quiz to see if you've understood what the writing was about. Then there's another assignment called Sun Science, followed by another short quiz. Now, there is a video. Why did the sun go to school? To get brighter. That's not the name of the video. That's just a little joke for you. It says, watch this video, get ready to pause it around 48-second mark, and write down the layers of the sun by typing them in the attached Google Drive assignment. So there's an assignment attached. Here's the video, and then there's an assignment link right down here for you to click on. Pretty straightforward. Now, that'll be it for this week. Those assignments right there. When you see assignments that aren't titled, that means there's nothing assigned to them. I just haven't deleted them yet. So don't worry about those. I will delete those today. So a couple of assignments, short reading, 2 short reading passages, watch a video, do that assignment, work on the vocabulary words. Now here I said another assignment to be mindful of, like I said before, is the Cosmos cards. Mindfulness. I'm going to talk a minute about that. Mindfulness means you're aware of your situation, you're aware of what's happening around you, you're aware of what you should. It applies to life, not just this assignment, obviously. Maybe you've heard the term mindfulness. Mindfulness is a good rule to live by. You're aware of how you're treating other people. You're mindful of other people's feelings. You're mindful of what you're saying and how it might affect others. So mindfulness is that's the word of the week for this week, okay? Lastly, there is an assignment on this video. I'm asking a question. This question, you need to message the answer back to me for 10 points. If you don't do it, you will lose 10 points. Now here's the assignment. Here's the question. What is the winter solstice and when is it occurring? Write down your answer to that and send it to me. Have a great week. See you next time.